Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another surprise egg video. That's right, we'll be digging into another one of the Jurassic World Captivz eggs. These guys recently came out here in Canada and they're really awesome. You can see a few of the figures in the back here that I've already unboxed. They're so wicked and very fun to play with. They've got a little battle card system going on so you can play with your friends. And they're just super detailed, great for photography, and I can't wait to collect the rest. So let's dig right in. There is a plastic layer you get rid of, and then there's a second plastic layer. You've got to find this green section here and just kind of pull that off. And this cracked skin comes right off, kind of gives a Fallen Kingdom feel to it with the cracks. And then underneath you have this scaly green egg, kind of like dinosaur skin. And be warned, inside, once you open it, there is goo. So let's grab a plate so we don't make a mess. And the goo, oh, look at that, nasty. The goo leaves a residue, so make sure to wash your hands and any surface that it touches if you do get one of these. Oh, and it's very sticky. Well, not sticky, but you know, you can see it kind of sticks to stuff. It's kind of like embryonic fluid, or might be lava if you want to use it as lava for your dinosaurs, because in Fallen Kingdom, of course, there's a volcano, Mount Sibo erupted. And yeah, okay, so my fingers are kind of coated. And let's cut the bag. Be careful not to cut the papers inside. And the reason I'm using scissors is it's kind of slimy, so I can't tear the bag. So I got some paper towel for my fingers. Let's see what's inside. This is exciting. We've got, what is this? It is the Indoraptor. Holy cow, this is a beautiful figure. I already have the bronze version of this, which is, I think, pretty rare in the set. But now I have the actual painted version. There's the little token on the back. You can see the aggression and the intelligence. So that is used in the battle, kind of little battle formula it has for each of the figures. And you can see here the rest of them. That is super neat. Okay, so now let's pop this guy together and see what he looks like complete. Wow, there's a nice finish on those scales. So on these figures, they put a lot of effort into these small details. The toes and the fingers are painted on these figures, which is amazing. Each individual one, even the smallest. Very nice quality. And you can see the details, like the scales, have been washed over with this lighter gray to make them pop out even better. You can see it's got the gold stripe and the signature dark color. Even the back of the Indoraptor has this brown sort of hue line going down it to give it even more of a nice color feature. So the head and the tail pop on like that. You can see there's a little Jurassic World symbol on the tail. And it's in this kind of running / stalking position, which is really nice. This is going to be great for photography. And you can see even the teeth are individually painted. There's no bleeding going on there. Even the tongue, look at that. The tongue is also painted, and the eyes too. That is a phenomenal figure. These are top quality in detail and just amazingly produced. At the bottom of my description in the video, I'm going to link the YouTube to this company so that you guys can check out the video on how to use these figures as a battling toy. They've got a system going on there, which is really cool. Maybe I'll make a video on how to battle them as well, but make sure to check them out. So far, these are out in Australia, I think maybe also the UK and Canada so far. So hopefully we see a wider release in the United States. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.